What is up, trappers? We are back. It's early for a video for me this morning. You can see I don't got no beanie on out here. In the background you can see it's foggy. Everything's wetted up. It's cold, man. It's been raining. Everything's damp. You see we got the Jag and the Trap Blazer. We're about them both running back here. You see all these leaves all over the Blazer? Man, it's gonna be covered in snow. Cold as hell here soon, and it's gonna sit here all winter, man. We were talking about maybe getting a place for the winter. Storing up the cars. My buddy Matt Malott, he was saying that over by where he's at, Kidneyville, Indiana, there's a lot of pole barns and things like that for rent. So maybe we can come up with something, stash them inside. Maybe we can keep working in the winter. But if not, guys, we're gonna get them cleaned up. Like today, I'm gonna clean up the block bully, get it done, get it cleaned up, ready to roll. I don't think we'll take it out this weekend. I think we're gonna have a lot of rain and that sort of thing. And when I take it out in the rain, it just covers the side, man. Like that horse crap video I showed you guys the other day. All the dirt and everything, it just cakes up underneath. And then front wheel wells, check these out, guys. I can't really be driving this in the snow, man. Like, for real, it's all cut up underneath here. The snow will have this thing wrecked. There will be no quarter panel there next spring because it will rust out, especially from the snow and everything in Indiana, you know. You guys see up here? You guys see that? All the way out there. That's the headlight, man. That's my whole quarter panel, you know. So you see that? That's the tire, man, for real. You see that rubber right there? So it'll be caked up with snow, guys. So there'd definitely be no driving that this winter. Just sit here in the driveway. I might sit in it, turn the lights on, do some light shows in the snow when the snow's out here, turn on all the lights on the driveway. Maybe we'll do a Christmas show or something and all that happens. But it's parked, guys. It'd be done for the year. That's the block bully. We're gonna get it cleaned up, get it done up. I thought about setting the factories back on here, but a buddy I know, he needs some factories. I think he plans on driving his this winter. I'm not really sure, but I don't think I'm gonna put it back on the factories. We're just gonna leave it here, clean it up, probably get a cover for it. That might help. This thing, I'm gonna try and drive it a little bit this winter. I really don't know. I never drove the Jag in the winter, so we're gonna wait till the first snows hit and see how it does. I mean, it might be squirrely, crazy, slipping and sliding all over, so I may not be able to drive it. It may have to be put up too, guys, so I'm not really sure. But today we're gonna get the Trap Blazer cleaned up. We're going to finish up the project on the Jag. I'm not sure. It depends on the rain today, guys, because I can't be having my door panel open, everything tore apart, and it's raining out here on me. So if it doesn't rain today, maybe I can get back to the mirrors. We can finish that up. That'd be cool. I really like my mirrors to work. That would be awesome. But if you guys get any ideas, anything about that, the mirrors on the Jag, you know why they won't go in and out for me like they're supposed to, give me a shout out in the comments and let me know. But that's the block Blazer, guys. We might clean it up, pull it out here in the driveway, and maybe do another little show one last time before the winter hits. But that'd be it for the block bully. This is coming, guys. The Equinox is all-wheel drive. We got some projects coming up for that. I definitely got to fix that door handle, man. You guys see that plastic door handle? Busted, man. The other piece is down inside the door, so I gotta get with O'Reilly's, see how much a new door handle costs, get one in. What's up, Charlie Farmer? How you been, man? I haven't heard from you in a minute. I hope you guys are good. It's good to see you still here, brother. I like to try and give everybody a shout out. Let's see. John A. And what's up? He said, my dude, how's it going, man? Let's see. He said, you need a Trailblazer SS. I like the Blazer SS's, but everybody sets them low and makes them fast. That's okay. I like to have that 6-liter to push these big wheels. It'd be a lot nicer. It'd push them a lot better, but it's not gonna save me no gas, guys. This 4.2, it does good for me in here. I thought about maybe this winter would be a cool project if I can facilitate it and come up with it. Just go get a 4200 and just rebuild it, like in the Trap Shack or wherever. Just put it on the stand and go through it, bore it out, have a sleeve, put headers on it, have the ports ceramic polished, all that stuff. See if maybe we can find a supercharger. That would definitely be a cool project for the Trap Blazer. But I'll be honest, I don't really know how all that stuff goes. I have to figure it all out, and you know, I gotta have people around me to help me. I can't do it all myself. So you know, it really does take a team of people to accomplish this sort of thing, and I got a good team of people behind me, but I don't know if they're really up for all that. But it's something I contemplated. It would be cool. Maybe necessity. Maybe at some point in time where I need to, I put something bigger in the Blazer. But right now the block bully is creeping just fine. It runs good. It saves me gas, especially on the big wheels and that trunk full of stuff. But we're gonna get cleaned up today, guys, get it looking good. I'm sure we'll do some podcasts and some blogs from in there, stuff we're planning, stuff that's coming from the video vault that's going to be coming out, all that stuff. So you guys will get to see some more of that this year, but there probably won't be no more on the road footage, out and about footage, anything like that of the block bully. This thing, we're going to try and see what we can do this winter, but we may be stuck in Equinox all winter, guys. I really hope not. If not, we'll still have projects, we'll still have plenty of videos, but I don't know, maybe I'll get something for the winter. It's not very likely, guys, because I don't like the cold, but we might do something outside in the winter. I know Justin, he's got his big Duramax. He's been having problems with that. He said something about maybe rebuilding it. If he does, I definitely want to get the footage of that. The Stang Banger, you know, he's still Chevy gang. I don't care what he says. He still loves that Chevy truck. He drives that around more than he does his car when it runs good. But I don't know, maybe we'll get the footage of that. And that's a big truck, turbo and everything. We had, this is for real, guys, we were in Fort Wayne. We took the Jag down because there's a dude that's gonna look at it. This is early in the spring when it was giving me fits, and I thought about selling it. So we loaded it up on the trailer like we did when we took it to Kalamazoo to Jaguar. We took it all the way down to Fort Wayne for this dude. Well, that's a whole nother story. But on the way back, Trevor Spiller, he was with us. What's up, Trevor? He was with us. We were coming back. Some dude, so he looked like a midget sitting in the seat, man. The littlest dude we ever seen in a big truck. He's in a Dodge Ram. He pulls up on us, and you know, he's got the rough country set up, you know, the wide tires that stick out, all that stuff. He's got this little lift, and he pulled up on us like he's gonna do something. Justin stomped that thing, man. He couldn't catch us, and we had a Jag and a trailer on that Duramax, and that dude, he just didn't have it, man. It wasn't happening all day long. I grinning and laughing. It ain't even my truck, and I know that dude couldn't beat us for real. Like, he just didn't have it. But we were running like 40, 45, 50 mile an hour. Justin puts it down, and the tires just light up. Trailer, Jag on it, everything, smokes it. So I want to see that thing back in full action. I know Stang Banger has a video. Nobody's seen it really, unless he shared it, unless you've seen it from him. But he was racing a vet, man. C7, C6 Corvette. He left that thing in the dust, man. That's funny. The big old truck. Leaving the vet. It's funny, funny, funny. So hopefully we get some videos of that. That's cool. I don't know what Wilk's up to. I know in the winter he likes to stay in. He ain't doing much in the winter time. Freezing, man. But I don't know. Maybe we can come up with something for a place for everybody to get in and work and keep the winter projects going. That would be real cool and real awesome, guys. We're gonna flip the camera. We're gonna go around here to the Trailblazer and the Jag. Let you guys have a look, and then I'm gonna get out of here and go get my coffee and plot on what we're doing. Hopefully there's no rain and I can work on these mirrors. If so, guys, we'll get some video of that today. But like I've been telling everybody, I've been reviewing videos, checking out videos, just watching them in my spare time of this last season, this past summer. Guys, we got so much footage. I can't even go through it all, really. Like, I've been trying to watch all of it, to go through it all in its entirety. But guys, I need to start hitting and dipping into it and cutting and releasing some of that video. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to watch all of it in its entirety like I want to. So lots of clips. I can't tell you everything that's in there, but I'm telling you, lots of videos of this, lots of videos of that, lots of other things, guys. And make sure that you check out the Kendallville Cruise. That's one of my favorite things we did this summer. I always said the block bully back here when we put it together, man, it's just built for cruise night, guys. Built for cruise night, and I love to go cruising. And that's not something that people really do. And then the whole Rona thing came down, and everybody come out, and then everybody says, hey, we're going cruising. And they had a big cruise night, so it's like, you already know, we're in, man. So for me, that was something awesome I got to do. When we were kids, we used to run around and cruise all weekend, man. That's what we did on Friday and Saturday nights. You know, we get ready, hit the spot, everybody load up, and then we go cruising. So to get to do that as an adult and to get to roll this thing around through cruise night is awesome, guys. It really was. It was a great experience. The I Ain't Got No Worries challenge, we got a clip from the cruise night for that, because I definitely got pulled over. This thing is hella loud, and I had the lights on. Dude, you know, as a target. But the cops at Kendallville, I want to give a shout out to them. I don't really like shouting out cops, 5-0, things like that. But those guys, they were cool. They let us cruise. They didn't give us a hard time, and they let me beat to like quarter to 11 o'clock, and then he pulled me over. And when he did, he was still cool, man. So you just say, climb, man, shut it down, turn these lights off, call it a night, man. It's 11 o'clock. So he was pretty cool about it. Everything was good. We had a good time. We got the footage, guys. But it's cold. I'm shivering. I'm getting ready to get in this Jag with these warm seats and go get my coffee. We're going to turn the trap bully off. We let it run for a minute. But we're going to get out of here, guys. We're going to get this cleaned up. Hopefully the rain will stay at bay. I can pull the Jag apart and get to the mirrors. Until next time, guys, make sure to like, follow, hit that share button, get in the comments, let me know what you think. And we'll see you guys soon. See you in the next clip. Keep on trapping.